Hello learners, another question on how to find the value of m if it is given that the quadratic equation has equal roots. So here, again the equation is in the standard form. By standard form, I mean that it is of the form a into x square plus b into x plus c, okay? Everything in the right place. So here, a is equal to, what do we have? We have beside x square, 3m plus 1. And b is equal to, what do you have beside x, 2 times m plus 1. And c is equal to just m. Okay, fine. So let's get started. Discriminant is nothing but equal to b square minus 4ac, and here it is equal to 0. Here our b is nothing but 2 times m plus 1 whole square minus 4 into a is 3m plus 1, and then c is nothing but m is equal to 0. So this would be nothing but 2 square into m plus 1 whole square, the first term. 2 square is nothing but 4 times m plus 1 whole square minus 4m. I'm just going to bring it to the first, m into 3m plus 1 is equal to 0. Now if you'll observe from these two terms, I can take 4 common, so I'd get 4 times m plus 1 whole square minus m into 3m plus 1 is equal to 0. Now if I'll send 4 to this side, I'll get 0 by 4, it's nothing but 0. And I'll be left out with m plus 1 whole square minus m into 3m plus 1 is equal to 0. Now let us start expanding. We're at m square plus 2m plus 1 here for m plus 1 whole square. And here I have minus m into 3m would be minus 3m square, minus m into 1 is going to be minus m. It's nothing but equal to 0. Now m square minus 3m square is nothing but minus 2m square. Okay, and then 2m minus m is nothing but equal to m, and then here I have plus 1 is equal to 0. Now you see the coefficient of m square is negative. I generally don't like it, I'm used to, the case wherein your coefficient of m square is positive. So I'm gonna make this coefficient of m square positive by multiplying the entire equation with minus 1. So therefore I'd get, 2m square minus m minus 1 is equal to 0. Fine. So now again I'm gonna teach you this in two ways. Fine. First one is by factorization and another is by formula way of getting roots for this quadratic equation. It's kind of, see, if you'll multiply it, if you see a is 2 and c is minus 1, a into c is minus 2. So minus 2 I can write it as minus 2 into 1, and minus 2 plus 1 is going to be minus 1. That's what minus 1 into m we have here. So basically if I'll write this minus m as minus 2m plus m, I can factorize this equation and get my answer. So basically 2m square, as I told you, minus 2m plus m minus 1 is equal to 0. So if I'll take m common from 2m common in the first two terms, I'd get 2m times m minus 1, and then if I'll just write this one as 1 times m minus 1 is equal to 0. I don't have to take anything common, they are already matching, just that I just need to put a 1 in the beginning. Okay, now if I'll take m minus 1 common, I'd be left out with 2m plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore m is equal to 1 comma minus 1 by 2. Okay, this minus 1 by 2 I got when I equate 2m plus 1 as 0, then 2m is equal to minus 1 and m is equal to minus 1 by 2. M minus 1 equal to 0 means you get m as 1. Now let's jump into the formula method. m is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. You guys don't have to do both the methods. Any one is sufficient. Okay, both are equally valid. Now let's come to this equation here. A is 2, b is minus 1, and c is minus 1. Okay, so if I'll put down those values, I get minus of minus 1 plus or minus under root minus 1 whole square minus 4 times 2 times minus 1 divided by 2 times here a is 2. Okay, so this would be nothing but minus of minus 1 would be plus 1. Okay, so I'd get 1 plus or minus, again let's just do calculation here itself. Minus 1 whole square is 1. Okay, 1 minus 4 into 2 is 8, 8 into minus 1 is minus 8. So 1 minus of minus 8 would be nothing but 1 plus 8, and hence I'd get under 9. So under root of 9 is 3. Okay, so here I have 2 into 2 is 4. So there's nothing but 1 plus 3 by 4 comma 1 minus 3 by 4. So 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 by 4 is 1, and 1 minus 3 is minus 2, minus 2 by 4 is going to be minus 1 by 2. Okay, that's it. Thank you. In case you like this video solution, please do give a thumbs up. And if this is your first time coming to my channel, kindly subscribe to it. Okay, just one thing, if you have any doubts on basics of addition of integers, I'll just put down the link for the video on addition of integers. Okay, so that you can go through it. Like in this question you saw that we have 1 minus 3. Now sometimes some get confused whether it is 2 or minus 2. Okay, that part I have explained quite clearly in that video. It's like a 10 to 15-minute video wherein I take you from the basics to the end on addition of integers. Fine. So if you're interested, you can watch through it. I'll put its link in the description. Fine. Thank you.